Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Blue Bowl is probably one of the most efficient and user-friendly gold concentrators on the market, designed to help prospectors of all skill levels extract more gold from their concentrates with less effort, making it an indispensable tool for anyone serious about finding that next big score in the goldfields. Number 5. Dream Matte Micro Turbo Blue Bowl Mat. Introducing the Micro Turbo Blue Bowl Mat, designed to revolutionize your gold prospecting experience. This innovative mat is engineered to significantly speed up your gold recovery process. Its unique design helps you recover gold more efficiently, making your prospecting efforts more productive. Spend less time searching and more time finding. Streamline your cleanup process with this essential sluice mat. It makes cleaning up your blue bowl quicker and more convenient than ever before. Featuring nearly 100x mini cyclone cells, it effectively mimics the base function of a blue bowl. This optimizes the separation of gold, ensuring you don't miss a speck. Upgrade your gold prospecting with this tried and true favorite. It allows your centrifugal blue bowl cleaner to operate at a higher speed for superior results. While some black sands may remain, this mat gets you there in a fraction of the time. Experience a significant improvement in your gold recovery speed. What we like. This mat is designed to significantly speed up your gold recovery process. Its innovative design with mini cyclone cells optimizes separation, making cleanup much quicker. If you're looking to drastically reduce your processing time and get more gold in less time, this is the upgrade you need. What people say. The Blue Bowl Gold Concentrator is a fantastic piece of equipment for separating fine gold. Its unique design allows for efficient recovery of even the smallest gold particles. The self-sluicing action means you don't have to manually clean it as often, saving you time and effort. Number 4. Blue Bowl Gold Concentrator Kit. Introducing the Blue Bowl Gold Concentrator Kit, your essential tool for efficient gold recovery. This comprehensive kit is designed to simplify the gold mining process. It includes everything you need: the blue bowl, leg levelers, a plastic vial, a powerful 12V pump, hose, battery clips, and clear instructions. Get ready to process your concentrates with ease. This portable gold concentrator is built to last. With no moving parts to wear out, it's designed for continuous, reliable performance, ensuring you can focus on finding gold. Tired of tedious hand panning? This device excels at recovering fine gold, even gold as fine as talcum powder. It efficiently separates your valuable finds from concentrates. For the best results, pre-screen your concentrates to at least 30 mesh using a classifier before adding them to the bowl. Consider using a 50 or 100 mesh classifier to recover even finer gold particles. What we like. This kit provides everything you need to start recovering fine gold right away. Its completely portable design means you can take it anywhere, and it's built to last with no moving parts. If you're a prospector who values simplicity, durability, and the ability to recover even the smallest gold particles, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Blue Bowl Gold Concentrator is an excellent piece of equipment for recovering fine gold. Its unique design allows for efficient separation of gold from concentrates, even very small particles. Many users report high recovery rates, making it a valuable tool for prospectors. Number 3. Blue Bowl Gold Concentrator Kit. Introducing the complete Gold Concentrator Kit. It includes everything you need to start recovering gold, including the essential blue bowl and leg levelers. This portable unit is designed for efficient gold recovery. Its powerful pump and durable construction ensure it will work reliably for years to come. Say goodbye to tedious manual panning. This device makes recovering even the finest gold, as fine as talcum powder, incredibly easy. For optimal results, pre-screen your concentrates to at least 30 mesh. This ensures you capture the maximum amount of fine gold. To capture microfines, we recommend using a 50 or 100 mesh classifier. This will help you recover even the smallest gold particles. Designed with no moving parts, this concentrator is built to last. You won't have to worry about wear and tear or costly replacements. What we like. This portable concentrator is built for a lifetime of use with its durable, no moving parts design. It excels at quickly removing fine gold from your concentrates, even gold as fine as talcum powder. If you're seeking a reliable, long-lasting, and easy-to-use solution for recovering microfine gold, this kit is ideal for you. What people say. It is a very good concentrator and it is very easy to use. This is a great little concentrator that really works well. Number 2. Blue Bowl Gold Prospecting Concentrator Kit. Introducing the Blue Bowl Concentrator Kit, designed to make gold panning simple and efficient. It comes complete with a 12-volt pump, flex hose, battery clips, and easy-to-follow instructions. Tired of the tedious process of panning fine gold by hand? This kit is your solution. It's engineered to recover gold particles as fine as talcum powder with ease. Take your gold prospecting anywhere with this completely portable concentrator. Its rugged construction ensures it's built to last for a lifetime of adventures. Everything you need is included. You'll receive the Blue Bowl itself, a powerful 750 GPH 12-volt pump, a flexible hose, battery clips for power, and comprehensive how-to instructions. Weighing only about 5 pounds, this kit is easy to transport to your favorite prospecting spots. Get ready to find more gold with less effort. What we like. This kit simplifies the difficult task of panning fine gold, making it a quick and easy process. Its rugged construction ensures it's built for a lifetime of use, and it can recover gold as fine as talcum powder. If you're tired of tedious hand panning and want a robust, portable solution for recovering the smallest gold particles, this is the kit for you. What people say. The Blue Bowl Gold Concentrator is an excellent tool for recovering fine gold. Its unique design allows for efficient separation of gold from concentrates. Users appreciate the high recovery rate of the Blue Bowl, especially for smaller gold particles. Number 1. Submersible Pump Pre-plumbed Gold Panning Concentrator 750 GPH. Introducing our submersible pump, designed for efficient gold panning. It delivers a robust 750 GPH flow rate to help you find more gold. This unit comes pre-plumbed for your convenience. Get started with your gold prospecting activities without delay. Crafted with quality materials, it's built to withstand tough conditions. Rely on its performance season after season. The 750 GPH capacity ensures optimal water flow for effective concentration. It's ideal for serious gold panners. Choose the color that suits your style. It's available in both blue and gold finishes. What we like. This concentrator features a powerful 750 GPH submersible pump that is pre-plumbed for convenience. It's designed for efficient gold panning and recovery. If you're looking for a ready-to-go setup with a strong pump that simplifies the water flow management for your gold panning, this pre-plumbed option is a great fit. What people say. The Blue Bowl Gold Concentrator is a game-changer for serious gold prospectors. Its unique design efficiently separates fine gold from concentrates, saving you time and effort. The vortex action pulls gold into the riffles, while lighter material is washed away. It's incredibly effective at recovering even the smallest gold particles. I was skeptical at first, but the Blue Bowl exceeded my expectations. It's easy to set up and use, even for beginners. The durable construction means it will last for years. I've tried other concentrators, but none compare to the performance of the Blue Bowl. It's a must-have for anyone serious about finding gold. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.